The information in the video shows an incident in Nizwa, Oman. Heavy rain hit several areas in the Sultanate of Oman, causing an unprecedented runoff of wadis. The floods submerged a number of districts, triggering landslides. The incessant rainfall paralyzed traffic on several roads, according to social media. The Omani Meteorological Department said that parts of the mountainous areas in the governorates of Dakhiliyah, North and South Batinah witnessed rain of varying intensity that led to flooded valleys. The police called on travelers to be careful as traffic was closed to light vehicles in the Turath neighbourhood in Nizwa due to the landslide. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.